guys, Jethro waiting here. So I'm at my bedroom, the same place where I shot my 2 shorts. And sorry for the loud noise of here, guys. So today I'm going to eat this pizza. Thank you for my sister for ordering it for me because I just passed my entrance exam for grade 7. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1.